The clock is ticking for your business to upgrade its barcodes with GS1's Sunrise 2027 initiative fast approaching. By 2027, 1D barcodes will be replaced with advanced 2D barcodes like QR codes. This means businesses will need to transition to GS1 Digital Link QR codes to keep up with global standards. And within the GS1 Digital Link QR code framework, you have several QR code solutions to choose from, each offering unique functionalities based on your needs. The URL QR code is great for linking directly to a promotional website or product page. The file QR code is ideal if you want to provide a downloadable product guide, instructions, or multimedia files. The product page QR code takes users to a customized landing page with multiple links to safety guidelines, customer service, or product certification. But in this tutorial, we'll focus on the App Store's QR code solution, which is perfect for businesses with a mobile app that supports their products or services. The App Store's QR code solution lets customers download your app from the iOS App Store, Google Play, or Huawei App Gallery with a single scan. And this feature is especially useful for products that work with an app, such as wearable tech, smart appliances, or even brands with loyalty programs or shopping apps. Now, let's dive into the tutorial on how to generate a GS1 Digital Link QR code using the App Store's QR code solution. Go to our GS1 QR code generator linked in the description box below. Then log into your account to get started. When creating a GS1 QR code, you can choose to either use the extended or the simplified version. Step 1, simplified version. So let's start with the simplified version. For this one, all you need is your product's European article number or EAN code. It's a 13-digit barcode that helps track and identify items and is commonly used in Europe and other regions. So type in your EAN code on the text box, then choose whether to overlay a barcode over the QR code or display the serial number under the QR code, or you can do both. Step 1, extended version. Now for the extended version. So with this one, you'll need to fill in a primary identification key, key qualifiers, and data attributes. Under the primary identification key section, you need to choose your product's application identifier. So this is the main identifier for your item. The most common types of it are the GTIN and the GLN, but there's also a lot of other ones that you can choose from too. So just click the drop-down menu to choose one. After that, type in the value and the serial number. The key qualifiers section is where you provide additional data for more specifics. You can type in your item's consumer product variant and batch or lot number. And finally, the data attributes. This is supplementary information to provide more details about the item, such as its expiration date, manufacturing date, price, or even weight. Type in the key and value for this information and add or remove details by clicking the Add and Subtract icons. You can then choose to overlay a barcode over the QR code and or display the serial number under the QR code, or hey, you can do both. Now, once you've filled in all the information, you can now proceed to the second step. Step 2, enter the URL of your app. So here, you're going to choose the QR code solution that you wish to use. For this video, we'll be using the App Store's QR code solution. You need to type in or paste the links of your app across different devices. So for Apple devices, you want to enter or paste your app's Apple App Store link under the URL for iOS. For Android, you want to enter or paste your app's Google Play Store link under the URL for Android. And then for Harmony, you want to enter or paste your app's Huawei App Gallery link under URL for Harmony. And once done, click Generate Dynamic QR Code. Step 3, customize your QR code. Finally, you can customize the look of your QR code. So you can customize your QR code by choosing the pattern, the eyes, picking colors, and adding a frame, or hey, just simply choose a template that you like. And after you're done personalizing the QR code, you want to choose a file type, then click download, and you're done. And there you have it. You've successfully created a GS1 Digital Link QR code using the App Store's QR code solution. Your business is now ready for the Sunrise 2027 initiative, keeping you ahead of the curve with compliant, data-rich barcodes. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. And when you're ready to create your own GS1 QR codes, check out the link in the description to get started with QR Tiger. Future-proof your business with QR Tiger's GS1 compliant QR code generator and stay ready for the next era of product barcoding. See you in the next video.